My fellow friends, classmates, and students of Sapambato National High School. Together, we achieve our goal to be successful. Today, July 12, 2021, it is time for us to go on the new episode. They said we are unfair in our life for studying, but the fact is we didn't fail ourselves. We did very well and never giving up for our dreams. In these difficult times like the pandemic, many things have been changed. We did either good or bad, at least we are still keeping up on this situation. Losing a friendship is a sad thing for our life, but don't worry, the broken hearts will be healed soon. We will be overcome with this situation. For those students who keeping up answering the modules and making projects on the past 4 quarters, we salute to all of you. Just don't stressing yourself because of the modules and don't lie to your classmates, friends, and teachers. If you don't know how to do it, just talk to them and they will help you. I gladly congratulate and thank our 10 Nahum advisor, Ma'am Annalyn Kiambao Aguilar, for being us in your class. To our beloved Esbinian teachers and to our principal, Ma'am Luina G. Rivera. I especially congratulate too my classmates of 10 Nahum batch 2020-2021, also the grade 10 batchmates for the virtual moving up ceremony, the graduating students of SBNHS Senior High for the year 2021, and to the students of Recognition Day. Despite the pandemic, we will still continue achieve our dreams and goals, not only for our family and friends, but also for our country. Again, congratulations, SBNians Batch 2021. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.